In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give a PowerPoint presentation using Zoom. Whether you're working remotely or simply want to streamline your presentation process, sharing your PowerPoint through Zoom is a straightforward task when you know the steps. Let's dive in and ensure your virtual presentation runs smoothly. First, you'll want to start by opening your PowerPoint presentation on your computer. Make sure it's ready to go and that the correct file is opened. This will save you from any awkward pauses during the meeting as you navigate through your files. Once you have your PowerPoint ready, the next step is to either start or join a Zoom meeting. It's important to ensure your Zoom software is up to date to avoid any unexpected technical issues. After you're in your Zoom meeting, you'll notice a toolbar at the bottom of the Zoom window. This is where you'll find the share screen option. Go ahead and click on that. It will bring up a new window showing all the open programs and screens available for you to share. Here's where you get to decide if you want to share the specific PowerPoint window or your entire screen. If you're planning to switch between slides or other applications during your presentation, selecting your entire screen might be the most seamless option. However, if you want to focus only on your slides, sharing just the PowerPoint window could be perfect for maintaining a professional appearance. Before you hit that final share button, if your presentation includes any audio or video content, make sure to check the Share Sound option. This ensures that any embedded media in your slides is heard clearly by all participants. It's a small step, but it makes a huge difference in the quality of your presentation. Now, with those settings in place, go ahead and click Share. Congratulations, your PowerPoint is now projected to everyone in your Zoom meeting. At this point, you'll want to head back into your PowerPoint application and start the slideshow mode. This will make your slides fill the screen, making it easier for your audience to focus on the content. When you've wrapped up your presentation and conveyed all your key points, it's time to stop sharing. To do this, return to the Zoom toolbar and click Stop Share. This will end the presentation, allowing you to transition back to full participant interaction in Zoom. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to seamlessly presenting your PowerPoint slides via Zoom. With these detailed instructions, you're now ready to deliver effective presentations that capture your audience's attention, no matter where they are. Thank you for joining, and happy presenting.